Hey, it's Cyrus. Here's a meditation to reclaim your energy if you're feeling stressed, burnt out, or exhausted. You know that feeling where you just want to sleep for like 500 years? Yeah, I get you. Let's do something about that. Start off by lying down or sitting back in a comfortable, relaxed position. Close your eyes. Give yourself permission to take space for yourself, to just be. Maybe you're not used to doing that, but it's okay to do that right now. Just take a deep breath and allow it to wash out of your body like a wave. Tune into the sounds that surround you. What are the details of the sounds that are happening right now? Can you notice? And now set an intention to not fall asleep for the rest of the session. To the best of your ability, allow your body to be restful, and even in a sleep state if it goes there, but keep some part of your consciousness and mind awake, aware, conscious. Take another slow, deep, effortless breath and allow your muscles to decompress on the exhalation. Bring your attention to the part of your body that feels the most stressed or burnt out or exhausted. The part of you that's calling your attention, that's asking to be looked at. Just look at it with your mind's eye. Feel the sensations that it's bringing to you. Don't resist it. Observe it compassionately. Let go of all desire to change what you're sensing, what you're noticing. Just give the sensation and that part of your body space to breathe and exist, perhaps even breathe into it gently, lovingly. Really take your time with yourself. Bring your attention to your head and notice the sensations in your head. Can you relax your eyes and notice the patterns of light that play upon your eyelids? Imagine a big empty space opening up behind your eyes. The thoughts that were trapped in your mind and your head dissolving, opening, emptying out into a blissful, open spaciousness. Can you feel the breath dancing at the entranceway of your nostrils? And the sensation in your lips and the sensation within the mouth? Allow your face and your jaw to relax. Keep the mind awake. Stay present as you drop your attention to your neck and shoulders. Feel them melt and dissolve into the support with the breath. Really take your time with yourself as you bring your attention down to your heart and your chest. Breathe and flow with a quiet, centered intention to stay present with the energy at the center of the chest. Maybe you've been trying to do too much. Maybe it doesn't even seem like too much. Maybe it just seems like what you do. But it's okay to let that go for now. Drop your attention to your stomach. Feel what you feel and notice what you notice without judgment. Allow the breath to open up all quadrants of the stomach, the upper and the lower belly, melting, expanding, blooming with the breath. Allow the attention to drop into the pelvic floor, all the way down to the root chakra. Feel the breath and the attention at the pelvic floor. And feel it trickle down into the legs. Notice any subtle tension in the legs and feet. Don't even try to let the tension go. Just let the tension let itself go if it wants to, as you notice it dissolving. And be aware of your arms and your hands. All the stuff that they've been doing, helping you do. Give them a break. Let them rest. Let them recover. Just thank them by paying attention to your arms and hands as they release into the support. And be aware of your whole body head to toe in a relaxed and effortless way. Feel where the energy is flowing and where the energy isn't flowing as much, without judgment, as the breath flows through the whole body. Allow any remaining tension in the physical tissues of the body to let itself go as you simply observe tension evaporating, siphoning, and releasing, all on its own with the breath. Imagine yourself being lifted into a state of suspended animation like an astronaut floating weightlessly in space. Like there is no surface underneath you and you're just pleasantly floating. Every cell of your body weightless, effortless, deeply resting. And simply pay attention to your body intentionally resting deeply as you keep your mind buoyantly awake and observing this process of deep physical and spiritual recovery. Don't try to do anything or think anything. Just give yourself permission to let go of whatever comes up and allow yourself to deeply, intentionally rest. Sense the aura, the energy field that surrounds your body. Don't think about it, just sense it. And imagine it getting a little bit stronger, maybe 5% stronger, with each slow breath as it comes to you. Letting go of old, tired, stressed energy with each exhalation, and breathing in a quietly recharging, rejuvenating energy with each inhalation. Breathing out the past and future, breathing in the now, finding that rhythm. Breathing out expectation and judgment, breathing in possibility and openness. Breathing out effort and trying, breathing in effortlessness and flow. Letting go of being the surfer on the wave and allowing yourself to become one with the wave itself as you feel yourself breathing and flowing with the current of the moment. And now visualize yourself letting go of past energy, past patterns. And see yourself shifting to a new pattern. perhaps of patience, being present, being balanced, and creating time and space for yourself, seeing and feeling the new possibility of choosing a new pattern. And take as much time as you need to simply stay seated or lying down and continue to process or simply rest in whatever way your spirit and your body feels called to. Perhaps even pause this track if you wish to do so for as long as you need. And only when your spirit feels ready, return to the physical at your own pace, opening your eyes and moving gently at the rhythm that comes naturally to you, allowing yourself to warm back up and find a rhythm at a pace that feels intuitive and preserves the energy and awareness that you've cultivated. Return to this session or others as often as you feel it would benefit you, and feel free to share it with anyone you think it might benefit. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today, and have an amazing day.